Hey, what's up guys, I'm Mashu and welcome back to another brand new video. Today's video is very interesting because in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can earn up to $500 to $1,000 per month by using a special AI tool. This AI tool name is Blogify. Using Blogify tool, we can easily earn good amount of money by doing affiliate marketing, and I will reveal this entire process. For the past 7 days, I worked in this exact method and I have earned around $200 by using this technique, and I will reveal this similar technique to you. Very excited, right? Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the computer screen. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the computer screen. Currently, I am logged in my Impact Affiliate account, and in dashboard here you can see I have earned around $200 by doing affiliate marketing. I just published few software reviews on my Medium account and I got good amount of Google traffic organically, and I have earned this amount of money from Impact Affiliate. And for publishing article, I used a tool which is called Blogify. Just simply open up your browser and type msbdigital.com/Blogify and hit enter. And now we are in Blogify homepage. Here you can see, using this tool, easily we can convert Google Podcast into a blog. We can also convert Apple Podcast into a blog. Also, we can convert YouTube videos into a blog. Lots of other options are available. Actually, this Blogify tool increases our online presence automatically by repurposing one single content. Currently, this is one of my most favorite AI writer tool to write affiliate content. Their pricing plan is also very affordable. Light plan, monthly cost only $4 per month. You can publish up to 10 long blogs. In basic plan, you can publish up to 30 blogs. Awesome. If you want to purchase Blogify for lifetime, then you may like their lifetime plan. Basic plan $400, premium $700. In premium plan, you can write up to 60 blogs per month for lifetime. And the good news is I have a 50% special discount coupon code for you. If you want to purchase Blogify yearly or lifetime plan with 50% discount, then just simply visit msbdigital.com and go to the deals page. And in this table, just simply search for Blogify and use this code Blogify_PSA_50. Just use this code and you will get 50% discount on any plan. That means if you want to purchase basic plan for lifetime, then after 50% discount, cost will be only $200. I already have an account, that's why I just simply click on login. Now we are in Blogify account dashboard. Under account overview, here you can see our Blogify account overview. Under blogs, here you can see our published blogs. Actually, this is my fully fresh Blogify account. That's why we can see all of these blogs under this account. And next step is images. If I click on add image, then look at this. Actually, you can easily create or insert images in your blog with AI images. By simply writing prompt, you can generate image with DALL-E 2 and by using DALL-E E3. Awesome, right? And next step is analytics. You can see your blog analytics right here. Next one is all at option. Next one is subscription. You can also upgrade your subscription from here, from the subscription tab. And next one is users. You can add your team members if you want. And under settings, if I scroll down, then look at this. We can connect Blogify with multiple platforms, WordPress, Blogger, Medium, and so on. This time I want to connect my Medium account with this Blogify account. To do this, I just simply click on connect. And here you can see the Medium account connection guideline. Actually, in this box, in this field, we need to put Medium integration token. To do this, I just simply click on my Medium account, and now I click on settings, and from security and apps, in integration tokens, here you can see our integration token. I already created this integration token before. If you are completely new, then type Blogify or any other name and then click on get token to generate token. Now I paste it right here and hit on save. And yes, we just successfully connected our Medium account. Awesome, right? Now to generate affiliate content, I just simply go to my blogs, and now I click on generate blog. Here you can see at first we need to select a source. Lots of sources are available. Actually, you can put anything, any link, and they will convert it as a blog. Under video tab, here you can see we can convert YouTube video to blog, Vimeo, Rumble, TikTok, TED videos, Dailymotion videos, Twitter videos, Facebook videos, video link, and also you can upload your own video files. And under e-commerce tab, here you can see this Blogify tool easily can convert any Amazon product link into a blog. So if you want to do Amazon affiliate, then this Blogify tool will help you. Also Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Walmart, Flipkart, Nike and IKEA options are available. Under audio option, here you can see Apple Podcast, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, SoundCloud and other options are available. Under web page, there are some other options as well. You can put any link right here on this web link option and they will convert this as a blog. Document and prompt option is also available. If you want to add custom instruction in prompt, then they will convert it as a long blog. In this case, this time I want to convert YouTube video to a blog. And because of that, I just simply select this YouTube option. Now actually I want to do AppSumo affiliate. That's why I just simply go to AppSumo site. In software tab, here you can see bunch of different softwares are available. And at this moment, I want to write a affiliate content for this software, Blazy Cloud. If I scroll down, here you can see a video about Blazy Cloud. I just open up this video and copy this video URL and paste it right here. Now Blogify analyzing my link. Now wait for a moment. Analyzing is completed. Now if I want to embed this video in my affiliate blog, then I need to tick this option, embed this video in your blog. Then here you can see and another option, add custom instruction. If you turn this on, then in this box you can write your custom command like speaking type, writing difficulty and complexity, and actually you can put anything, any type of instruction right into this box. I just turn this off. And next one, blog settings, generation mode. Here you can see two different options are available, autopilot and copilot. If you select autopilot, then automatically they will write a detailed blog for you. But if you do select copilot, then at first they will show you the blog title, then blog sections, subsections. You can modify them if you want, and after that they will generate blog for you. This time I just select copilot and blog's point of view. This time I just simply select third person, this option. Blog tone, bunch of different options are available. This time I select review because I want to write a review type of blog. How to, casual, educational, professional, and some other options are available. This time I just select review. Block size. This time from this drop down I just simply select large because larger SEO optimized content rank better in Google. Source language English, blog language English, generate data table settings. I don't want to show any table in my blog, that's why I just select no table. If you want to show cart or data illustration in your blog, then select single or multiple cards option. This time I just select no cards. Affiliate commission obtained, I don't take this option. Add cover, here you can see they automatically selected YouTube thumbnail as our blog thumbnail. If you want to upload your own, then you can also upload your own custom thumbnail as well. I just select the default one. Add content image. If you turn this option on, then here you can see the browse option. You can upload additional blog image if you want. Then they will embed your provided images in the blog. And if you turn this publish option on, then you can see your connected platforms. For our case, it is Medium. I don't want to automatically publish this content because after this blog generation, I will edit it. I will insert affiliate link in my blog. That's why I just turned off this publish option. Now I hit on generate blog. And yes, this is our blog title. Crafting website in a Blizzy, a deep dive into Blizzy Cloud. Title is okay. Now I hit on create outline. And this is our blog outline. Why Blizzy Cloud stands out, getting started, designing with this, unlimited possibilities, and some other section points are available. Easily you can rearrange them if you want. Also, if you want to add new section, then click on this plus icon to add new section if you want. But this time I don't add any new section. Now I click on create talking points. And under every section, here you can see subsection. You can also rearrange them if you want. Also, you can add new subsection if you want to add. But this time everything is alright. Now I click on generate content. Blogify putting the final touches on our blog. Now wait for a moment. And yes, blog creation is completed. And this is our full blog. Amazing, right? Just in few clicks, we just created our long blog. Now, at this moment, I just simply put my affiliate links right here. This is our product link. Now, I just copy this link and from impact, I just select AppSumo and enter this product link and hit on create. And this is our affiliate link. Now in Blizzy Cloud World, I just add my affiliate link. Also this time I will add some call to action button. Get Blizzy Cloud for lifetime. I just insert my affiliate link in this text and add heading 4 for this call to action button. And this time I will add this call to action button with my affiliate link multiple times like this. Alright, now I click on save. And here you can see the preview of our blog. If everything is alright, then just go ahead and publish your blog. I just click Medium and select publish immediately. Also, there are a few other options as well. You can also publish as a draft. Not only that, also you can schedule this blog if you want. Alright, I just select Medium and our profile name is Sales Deals by MSB Digital. So that's our Medium account. Now I hit on publish. And yes, blog published successfully. Now at this moment, if I click on this link, now look at this, we just successfully published our affiliate blog. If we manually want to write this affiliate blog, then this will definitely kill our time a lot. But with the power of Blogify, we just successfully created our own affiliate blog. Actually, this is how, using Blogify tool, easily you can publish amazing affiliate content. And if you regularly publish them in Medium, then they will rank in Google for certain keywords, and definitely as a result, you will able to earn affiliate commission. Now, if you are interested to purchase Blogify tool, then check my video description where you will also get 50% discount coupon code as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you really liked this one, then like my video and subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys to the next one.